Hello everyone and welcome to a presentation of eAhoy. Today we are building a free website for those of you who would like an online presence to sell your products or services around the United States and even the world. Without further ado, we'll get started. Go to Get Your Free Mini Website today on the homepage. It's the three-step process. We're going to register. In this section you type in who referred you. It's optional, but I'm sure they'll be happy that you put them in and thought of them. The bottom line here is that it has to be one word. There's no spaces in the name, even if it's a first and a last name. Put in your username. You put in your password twice because if you put it in once and it's wrong, you'll never be able to sign in. Again, you put in your email address twice. Security questions, you're going to want to go ahead and put in something you can remember. And I'm going to put in my car, my first car that I owned. And then you put in this little code here. It's techie stuff, but you just follow instructions. You register now. Okay, an email verification has been set. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh so I can get it right away. There it is, registration request. You click on that. Click on the link. And it tells me that I'm ready to log in. Okay, then we put in some account details. Remember, if you're just browsing the site, then you're going to you don't have to put this in. But if you're going to be building a website or trying to do some serious business on eAhoy, it's a good idea to go ahead and fill this in. The company information, if you have a company, put that in. You go ahead and put in your state here, and it will load your city in a second. And you go ahead and I type in the first couple of letters. That didn't work that time. There we go, Grass Valley. Put in your phone number. Put in the geek code. Obviously, you're going to want to read the terms of service. We're not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and update the account. Okay, now I may return. Okay, and basically I can go ahead and start building my website. I click on that connected. Okay, we're going to want this to be default. We're going to build a free website. If you wanted to feature your site so that it will be found easier in eAhoy, you could feature it so it'd be at the top of the search engine. For now, free. Okay, today we're going to be building, this gentleman owns a tire store, Vaughn's Tires. And we're going to want to put in Vaughn's website here. If he has another website, it's a good idea to go ahead and put that in so we can cross-link them. And you know, if you already have a website already, it's a great idea to go ahead and do this. It creates more search engine optimization for you to be found on Google. So I'd recommend it. Now, if you want the site to show on this website so people can cross-link it, you'd put that information here. So it's Vaughn's Tires. And I would go ahead and put in the whole name on the URL here to make sure that it links properly. Here it doesn't really matter. Just to put in www.vonstires, we'll link it to this one. You can put in your facts if you choose. Select your country. Select your state. And again, it takes a while for the city to load here. And so, you might have some images ready if you want to post images. You don't have to post images. You can go ahead and just leave the image off if you choose. But you probably want to have an image ready on your desktop or from your other website that you can pull over. And we're going to go ahead and find Grass Valley. There it is. You can just type it in if you like. I don't always do that because my fingers are fat and it causes me problems. Okay, so now we're going to browse for image. This image is already on my desktop. And so it's ready to go. When it will show when I go to preview it. You can put in a video here if you choose. If you have a video you want to load on your site, certainly go ahead and do it. This is a little brief description. Great tires at a great price, where the rubber meets the road. Then you're going to have a greater description. This would be like store hours, how to reach you by phone if they want to contact you, specifics about the types of tires you sell. So I'm going to put something like featuring a great assortment of snow tires, if that's your specialty, and then a bunch of other descriptive stuff down here to tell them everything about what you do. Now this section is important. This is so that people can find you on Google, and certainly these examples we have up here, these are just examples. They fit my description, so I'm going to use them. Auto parts, tires certainly applies. I just happen to get lucky that the examples are something I'm building. So anything related to tires that will allow people to find you, cars, trucks, snow tires. How about chains? Maybe they sell chains there. Snow chains. And most tire places do brakes. So anything you can think of, up to 10 words would go in there. Of course, we're going to go down to the category section. We're going to add autos. Autos successfully added. And you can add one other. So how about motorsports would be probably a good category to add so people can find you through a couple different searches. And there they are there. And we're going to go ahead and submit that. Okay, our website has been added. Now, so you'd want to go down here if you want to view it. Under eHoy website title, you click on Von's Tires to view it. Click here to preview. And it's loading. Okay, and so here's our website. As you can see, the tire's been posted. There's the address. I'm looking to make sure everything's right. Here's Von's Tires. You would click on this and it would take you to the website if there was a Von Tires, the other website that this person may have already built. Here's the description, a great assortment, and that's one of the reasons you want to look this over so you can go back and edit it. And if you're going to create any coupons, you could do that too. Half off, 30% off in the coupon section, which we won't go into today. That's another video. Okay, so I've made some typos. So I'm going to go ahead and manage my eHoy website over here. And this right here is the legend that explains what all these do over here. You don't click on these, you click over here. So if you're going to edit, you would go back over here and take a look at the typos you made. And okay, let's see, where did I make that typo? Bonds tires, Bonds tires. Okay, everything looks good there. That's all good. Assortment. There we go. So we're going to want to change that. We like everything, so we're going to submit it. Okay. Now, if you want to change your website so that you want to feature, you would click in here. So the level that what we have now, it's a free menu website. And let's say we want to feature that. We really want to get seen, man. We want to be at the top of the search engine every time. So we'd click here, featured menu website for $9.95, and now you're really going to be found. And that's it. We've taught you how to build a website. Now you can get your free presence around the world and in the United States. Thanks for listening. This has been another eAhoy presentation.